Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mehdi and this is the fifth video of my educational series. In this video, I'm gonna add some vector file to ArcGIS Pro that we downloaded from GeoFabric. In the next step, I'm gonna show you how we can select features within working area by using the select by location or clip tool. After that, defining one of the important concepts in ArcGIS Map Pro that's known as a map visualization, and explain about three main components. In the next step, we show you how we can classify or symbolize our raster dataset based on elevation changes, and finally we symbolize our point dataset based on different categories and customize our symbol. Okay, let's get started. Right, in this step I'm gonna add the data that I've already downloaded from GeoFabric in the previous lesson. To do this, go to the map, add the data, find our file. As you see, my file is contained of so many different type of layer, but I only gonna choose the polygon, place, point feature, line feature, point feature again, and one polygon. But the question is that how we can figure out which type is a which. If you look at the icon next of the layer type, layer name, you notice that those icons that has this particular shape, they show you that this layer is a polygon, this layer is a point, and this layer is a line. And with this you can identify which layer is a polygon, line, or point. Okay, click OK. Our file is added. To work comfortably, I prefer to turn off the raster layer that I've added in the previous lesson, and turn off the other layer to focus only in this layer. But what do we want to do is that I'm gonna select the feature related to this layer that are located within working area. Okay, go to the select by location, input feature, drag in particular layer in the relationship, go to the within, select feature, working area, and apply. As you see, all of the layers that are located within working area are selected. If we enable invert spatial relation and apply, all of the feature outside the working area will be selected instead. Remove the remarker, apply. Finally, to create a clean layer of selected feature, right click on the particular layer in the content pane, go to the data, export feature, input feature, output feature. For output feature, name the spatial name for a new layer. Our new layer is created. We have a clean layer that only includes feature within our working area. See, this is original file in original layer. That is the layer that we created. Alright, our file is created, but I'm gonna tell you that there is another way to select a feature inside the working area, similar to what we did in previous lesson with raster data. If you haven't watched that yet, I recommend you check it out as well, because these tutorials are project based and they build on each other step by step. And just now I'm gonna show you how we can use clip tool for vector data. For this purpose, go to the analysis tool, search a clip, select on it, drag in original data, set with working area, give a name for our output data, run it. Okay, our file is created. Now you have a clip file that only includes a feature within working area. See, this is a new file. Actually, this file, a result of the clip tools, and this previous file is come from of the export feature of displays export feature. Okay, just now we can remove the unnecessary file. Remove. Alright, in this part I'm gonna talk about map visualization. Map visualization is process of representing geographic data on a map in a way that makes the information clear, understandable and useful. It usually involves three key components: symbolization, labeling and layout. Next, I will try to talk about each one separately with practical example. Let's get started. Now our working area is ready for preliminary study, because we have a digital elevation model that shows the elevation of our working area, and we also have a few different vector datasets. But what do you want to do in this step? In this step, I'm gonna visualize our raster dataset. If you click on our raster dataset, you see the stretch picture value that is represent of the height in this spot. Just now, I'm gonna figure out how the height will change across of the working area. For this purpose, let's turn off the other layer. Okay, for this spot, right click on the raster data, go to the symbology, change this to the classify. Alright, what did we do? We visualize our raster data by using classify method. That means the elevation value are divided into 5 ranges, and each range is represented by a different color. This way, the elevation changes appear in steps or a category on the map. The default method is natural bricks. That is the best way to find the border based on the data. As a default, the classes is arranged with the 5, and if you increase the classes, the accuracy of visualization can improve. Alright, in this step I'm gonna visualize one of the point data sets located in our working area. For doing this purpose, first of all, I turn off the other layer to focusing up in a specific layer. After that, open the attribute table to check is there any field to help us identify each record. And after check it, you see that there is a different category like bank, supermarket, pharmacy. For doing visualize based on the F class, right click, go to the symbology, set on the unique value, put on the F class, yes. After doing this procedure, software assigns the specific color and symbol for each category. You can see different category here. And just know, imagine we're gonna change the symbol of the bank. What should we do? Click on the symbol of the bank, go to the gallery. You can click here, or you can search in the search box. Bank. After search in the search box, software give you all of the symbol related to the this item. For example, I click on this. All of the point that is linked with the bank is assigned with this symbol. Just know, imagine we're gonna change the style of this. Click on this, go to the property, and we can change the style here. For example, to apply or 30 apply. Okay. And you can change the color here also. Alright, so far we succeed to visualize a point dataset and raster dataset. Alright everyone, that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment or follow us. Remember, every time you practice what we covered, you are improving your skill. And just a note, this video was in 2 parts, so stay tuned for the next one. See you.